No one in our family had ever heard of it before, and when the physician told my parents about it, they said that it was related to asbestos exposure, that it was a terminal disease, and that it would be best if they sought help from a specialist. So we were all taken quite by surprise. My siblings and I just started gathering information on the internet and reading as much as we could to figure out what it was, how it would progress, and who would be the best to treat him. So we found that there were a lot of centers where there were physicians who specialized in lung disorders, and one was in Texas, which theoretically would have been really handy because my parents had been in Oklahoma and Texas wasn't that far, but there was actually no support network for them in Texas. There was also specialists that we found in the Northeast U.S., but again, there was no real support for them if they were going to go seek treatment there. So we were looking at the University of Chicago and Northwestern University in the Chicago area, and we encouraged my parents to go to the University of Chicago because, well, it seemed to have a good program, good doctors, and then my mom's family was from Chicago, and a lot of my immediate family was still there, so we encouraged them to seek treatment in Chicago. We had seen a lot of cases of it. We did want to get a second opinion, and we ended up at the University of Chicago where, they did a lot of tests and confirmed that it was pleural mesothelioma.